All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about what Tesla does for the community. 1. Sustainability initiatives. Tesla is deeply committed to sustainability and reducing global carbon emissions. They've made electric vehicles, EVs, their flagship product to help cut down on fossil fuel dependency. Tesla also produces solar energy solutions and energy storage products through its Powerwall and PowerPack systems, helping communities transition to renewable energy sources. 2. Charitable contributions. Tesla has been involved in charitable donations and community programs. For instance, during natural disasters, they've provided support by donating solar powered energy solutions to areas in need. Tesla has also donated money and resources to organizations focused on education, environmental protection, and disaster relief. Number 3, job creation. Tesla plays a significant role in the economy by providing jobs in manufacturing, engineering, and technology development. Their factories, like the Gigafactories, are not only designed to produce products that benefit the planet, but also to provide thousands of jobs to people in local communities. Number 4, support for EV infrastructure. Tesla supports the broader adoption of EVs by investing in the supercharger network to ensure that electric vehicles have easy access to charging stations across the country. This infrastructure is available to other EVs too, helping communities make the switch to cleaner transportation. Number 5, educational programs and research. Tesla also invests in education through initiatives like STEM programs that promote science, technology, engineering, and mathematics for young students. They partner with universities and research organizations to advance sustainable energy research and also help to develop new, energy efficient technologies. 6. Tesla Foundation. Tesla has a nonprofit foundation which focuses on addressing a variety of social causes. While its specific initiatives may vary, the foundation generally supports environmental, educational, and humanitarian efforts, working to make the world a better place. So, in a nutshell, Tesla's community impact is all about sustainability, job creation, and giving back through education, disaster relief, and clean energy solutions. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.